Hello and welcome to a new vlog, and this vlog we are going to see which one is best, Bilberry or Dragon's Breath. Both are from valetpro. Here is our Bilberry and here's our Dragon's Breath. Which one is best? Bilberry or Dragon's Breath? I think we are going to start with Bilberry. And we have a pretty neat test here because these rims are very dirty from brake dust. So here is the rim. Very dirty with brake dust, and from the other side is equally dirty, as you see. But that side is in the sun, so it's going to shine a little bit more on that side, but yeah, I think we are going to have a very fair test here because both rims are very dirty and two different chemicals to remove brake dust and metal particles. So which one is best, Bilberry or Dragon's Breath? We are going to start with Bilberry, and yeah, the only thing I'm going to do is to spray it on and yeah, let it sit for let's see, 3 minutes maximum. So we had it on for 60 seconds. Sorry, I lied for you, but 60 seconds, and the result is like this. Pretty neat, huh? And now it's time for Dragon's Breath. We had Dragon's Breath on for 60 seconds as well, and keep in mind, guys, this side is in the sun, so this one we shine a little bit more, but yeah, I will do Bilberry on that rim, so can we have a little bit of both in sun and both in shadow. But here is the result from only Dragon's Breath. So we have made like this. Let's see, we have done front rim on this side and the sun, dragons, and this we have done with Bilberry. So one bad thing to record in the driveway or well, beside the house. We have cars coming from here. So what did I say? Yeah, front rim in the sun was dragons, rear rim was Bilberry. So let's see. This one was dragons. And this one was bilberry. I will see when I edit, and yeah, probably you will see now if I can make some comparison. But in my opinion, buy bilberry, because it has a little bit nicer smell. The dragon's breath is, well, it's sharp smell. It's really sharp. It stings in your nose, and you get exactly the same results. I almost like the bilberry a little bit more, because I think bilberry makes the wheel shine a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, if the camera is wide enough, but bilberry, dragons, bilberry. So in my opinion, use bilberry. It's a better smell, and you will probably notice that as well if you had tried both of them. So, but if you're here to have a comparison of what you are going to buy, my tip for you is to buy bilberry. You will not be disappointed, as you did see in this video. And yeah, I think that's it from this video. And make a comment below. What do you think? Bilberry or valetpro dragon's breath? Both are from valetpro, but yeah. What do you think? Bilberry or dragons? Make a comment. Press the thumbs up, thumbs down, I don't care. Thumbs up is funnier, but if you want to see more of me doing tests like this, polish cars, car meets, car washes, trying different chemicals, yeah, you name it, write a comment below, press the subscribe button, don't forget to press the bell as well to get notified, and we see each other in the next one.